अब क्वेश्चन आप देखिए बेटा है, फॉर हाउ मच टाइम शुड अ फोर्स ऑफ 4 न्यूटन बी एक्सर्टेड ऑन a body of mass 8 kg to increase velocity from 150 मीटर पर सेकेंड to 300 मीटर पर सेकेंड। ये आपका क्वेश्चन है। तो इसमें आप देखिए फोर्स की वैल्यू हो गई 400 न्यूटन, मास आपका है 8 kg, इनिशियल वेलोसिटी 150 मीटर पर सेकेंड, फाइनल वेलोसिटी 300 मीटर पर सेकेंड। आपको टाइम निकालना है कि कितने टाइम में ये चेंजेस उसके अंदर होते हैं। तो हमारे पास फॉर्मूला है फोर्स इज इक्वल टू मास इनटू एक्सेलरेशन। एक्सेलरेशन का फॉर्मूला होता है फाइनल वेलोसिटी माइनस इनिशियल वेलोसिटी अपॉन टाइम, मतलब v माइनस यू बाई टी। तो फोर्स की जगह हमने 400 लिख दिया, मास की जगह 8 लिखा, फाइनल वेलोसिटी देखिए 150 से 300 हुई, तो 300 माइनस 150 अपॉन टी। टाइम उधर ले गए तो 400 ये क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करके डिवाइड होगा और सॉल्व करने पे हमारा आंसर आ जाएगा 3 सेकेंड्स। तो इस तरह से किया जाता है। नाउ द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, क्रिकेट बॉल ऑफ मास 70 ग्राम is moving with a velocity of 0.5 meter per second and is stopped by a player after 0.5 seconds. Find the force applied by the player on the cricket ball. It is एक बॉल है, उसका मास 70 ग्राम है, वो मूव कर रही है, उसको एक प्लेयर स्टॉप करता है उस बॉल को 0.5 सेकेंड्स में। We have to find the force applied by the player on that ball. Now after some time, initially the ball is moving at 0.5 meter per second, but after 0.5 second the ball stopped moving. That means its velocity becomes 0. So when we analyze the question, we have mass of the ball is 70 gram. So we convert gram into 1000 kilogram by dividing it by 1000, that is 0.07 kg. Now initial velocity is 0.5 meter per second and the time taken by the player to stop the ball is 0.5 second. That is the final velocity becomes 0 meter per second. Now we know the force is equal to mass into acceleration, and acceleration is final velocity minus initial velocity upon time. After substituting all the values, we got the values. Force is equal to value of mass is 0.07, final velocity 0 minus 0.5 and divided by 0.5, which is the time, and ultimately we got 0.07 Newton. Now in the next question, we learn how to find recoil velocity of a rifle. Just see the question. From the rifle of mass 4 kg, a bullet of mass 50 gram is fired with initial velocity of 35 meter per second. Find the recoil velocity of the rifle. That is, the mass of the rifle is 4 kg and mass of the bullet is 50 gram. Okay, and that bullet is fired with the initial velocity of 35 meter per second. We have to find the recoil velocity of rifle. Actually it is misprinted, mass of the bullet is 50 gram. Now observe the solution. We analyze the question. In this type of questions we use the formula of conservation of momentum. That is, initial momentum is equal to final momentum. Let capital M is the mass of the rifle and small m is the mass of the bullet. So initial momentum, capital mass into initial velocity u plus small mass into initial velocity of bullet. Similarly, it is equal to final momentum of rifle and bullet. So mass of the rifle is 4 kg. So when we put m is equal to 4, initial velocity becomes 0. And similarly, in case of bullet, mass is 0.05 and initial velocity of bullet is 0. Now the final momentum. Actually the gun moves in the opposite direction so we take it in negative direction. Now as initial momentum, both initial velocities are 0, so it becomes 0. So minus 4v plus 0.05 into 35. We just equate both of them. In this way we got recoil velocity, that is capital V is equal to, we just multiply them, put all the values and find out the answer. So actually the formula for recoil velocity become mass of bullet, velocity of bullet over mass of rifle. Please note it down, mass of bullet, velocity of bullet upon mass of rifle. The next question, we have to calculate the acceleration and frictional force of the ball. Now see the graph and try to understand the question. This is the graph of velocity and time, where time is on the x-axis and velocity is in the y-axis. Time is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and velocity is 20, 40, 60, 80 and 100. So we can see that time is from 0 to 8 seconds and velocity is from 0 to 80 meter per second. Now we just analyze the question. That is, the mass of the ball is the 10 gram. Initial velocity is 0, final velocity is 80. Time taken is 8 seconds. Now we have to find the acceleration produced in the ball and frictional force developed in the ball. Now as we know, the formula for the acceleration is equal to v minus u by t. So we just simply put in place of v and u 80 and 0, and in place of time we put 8 seconds. After solving this we get 10 meter per second square. In this way we get the acceleration. Now the frictional force is nothing but F is equal to ma. Now mass is in the gram, so we change it in the kilogram by dividing it by 1000. So it becomes 10 by 1000 into acceleration we found earlier, that is 10. When we solve it, we get 1 by 10, which is equal to 0.1 Newton. In this way, in this video, I will take some topic-based question. One of recoil velocity, one of simple force method, one is of linear conservation of momentum, and this is the last one, which is based on the graph. If you like the video, please like and subscribe my channel. If you want some more videos, go to the playlist, and in the playlist you can get in the heading of 9, 10, 6, 7, 8, under different headings you got different educational videos. You can learn and share with your friends also. Thank you.